Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Mac Os Sonoma, and now I'm gonna show you how to use music application on this device. So music application, it's very important app on Mac Os Sonoma because music application is about built-in iTunes and Apple's backdoor. We can't remove it, and with the music application to set up our Apple account, Apple ID, sometimes we need a music application, and we can do it sometimes only using music application. So in music application you can use Apple subscription to use it like a music streaming service. You can, but you don't need. You can use it for free radio, for example. It's completely free. You can use it. You can use free radio. You can add your music and your library create. You can buy music in iTunes Store built inside the music application, and you can buy music for you, and when you will buy it, this music will appear here, but you can download music from different sources like Google Play Music or in other playgrounds for the music buying. You can download the MP3 file or WAV file, WAV, and just move it to your library. For example, you have downloaded the no copyright song, and if you will download it, unfortunately, as you can see, I have no any song to move, so you just need to drag it to the music application, and in this way you will import it to your library. Cool. So what we have here we have the settings, and we can set up the streaming quality, for example, in the settings. So open settings, and here we have general, but we need to move to playback, and in playback, as you can see, we have the video playback quality, video download quality in the. So I don't know why I have video here. I need to have the audio. So maybe I can change it, or no. So okay, so we need to change, as you can see, show iTunes Store. For example, if you don't want to see iTunes here, you can disable it, of course, from the files, advanced, playback. So okay, in the playback you can enable the sound enhancer. So if you if music is too quiet for you, you can enhance the loudness of the sound. Cross fade sounds, it's when one song is ending and second one is starting smoothly. So you can set up the fading, for example, 2 seconds, and sound check automatically adjust sound playback volume to the same level. It's very great idea to enable this feature and never disable video playback. I suggest you to enable video playback to the best and video download quality to the best too. And okay, and maybe I have now the feature of changing the song quality from the streaming service, because I have no subscription for on Apple Music now. But if you will have, you will be able to change it in the settings, and you don't need other settings here, because all settings, all settings, even in song, we can show playlist, play new, play later, play next, but all of these features you will have in the graphic design. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.